It's something that we've been thinking about for a while, and it's sort of a way for us to give something back to the community. And, you know, just kind of, I'll sit out here and I'll wave at everybody that goes by. And it's really kind of fun when I get to talk to people that are just visiting, because then they're really interested in not only what we're doing, but Slab City itself. Part of the idea behind the cart is to make something that is eye-catching and will get people's attention. So we tried to make it fairly colorful and have some artistic elements, so that when people are driving by, they'll be like, oh hey, what's that thing over there? Oh, there's a nice guy waving at us. Let's go see what that's about. And it's just kind of a neat thing to pull around. I think people, when they see me walking around with the cart, it kind of catches their attention and piques their interest. We like to offer a variety of options out here. You know, we do art, we make some baked goods, but then also really like to find other people out here so that we can have lots of camps offering a big variety of products for people to check out. It's just kind of a fun way to reach out to people and say, hey, we are friendly people out here, and this is a nice community that you can feel safe coming to. We are making this ourselves, and we're putting things onto it that we have made, and that's just a really satisfying feeling at the end of the day, to know that we've been able to provide for ourselves.